Well, I thought I'd show you a little bit of my sanding process here. I've been wet sanding this because it makes it go a lot better and keeps the sandpaper from getting clogged up. And hopefully this is the last bit of sanding on this one I'm going to do, other than a light scuffing after the last coat of primer. I have to keep checking under the light to see if I get all the divots out. And they don't show up right off the bat, and we're going to keep on doing this until we get it just right, because what we're going to do on this, I told you I'm going to use black lacquer, and we're going to do the old-time way. I don't know how many of you guys used to read Hot Rod magazines, Rod Custom and stuff like that back in the 60s and 70s, but I remember that all of the really top flight cars back then, they boasted that they had 10 or 12 or 29 coats of hand rubbed lacquer. Well, we're going to have hand rubbed lacquer on this part of this horn anyway. This baby's going to shine, and so that's why I'm taking a little extra time. This is an old horn. We're going to finish it the old-time way, you know. It's all by hand. So I wanted you to see that I'm not goofing off. I'm still working at it. Gotta make it smooth, man. Gotta make it smooth.